Jurassic World toy hunt here at Target. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to start off here. Another new one here is called the Search and Smash Truck Set. Search and Smash Truck Set by Dinotractor here. It comes with a truck here. The doors open here. Velociraptor, guard, gun, and the headset for the Velociraptor here. So this door open on these Jeeps here, and the back of it, what it looked like here, is a Eocarcharia here with the guard, and come with a backpack with a radar here for the Eocarcharia, and you can go on top of the truck like it did, or on the hood, and it does damage control on the truck here, so the truck can get damaged. So see it, this truck, so you can pound on here, it's going to be a damaged hood here. So that's how this is designed, so it'll be like a damaged hood. So that's why it's called Search and Smash Truck. So it's like a damaged hood, and the Eocarcharia guard, and the backpack for the Eocarcharia here. This is comparable to the Jurassic World, another set here that came out too, Jurassic World Legacy Collection here from the Jurassic Park. This is with the Dr. Ella Sattler one. It's the Risky Rescue Pack. So let's compare this here. So you got a Risky Rescue Pack here, and Search and Smash Truck here. So on the Risky Rescue Pack here, they come with a Velociraptor, and also a QR code here, Dr. Ella Sattler, and the Jurassic Park original truck here. See how you got some mud design on here on this one here, and these boxes also open, so you can put stuff in here, both sides. And on the back of this one here is designed Velociraptor, Dr. Ella Sattler here, and the Jeep truck here. So these two is comparable. You can look at that one and this one. So they're kind of comparable here on these two new sets, Search and Smash Truck and Dr. Ella Sattler Rescue Pack for the Jurassic Park Jeep here. If I give me a preference here on which one I would buy, I'd probably take this one here, because that way you can put people up here on the top. The door also open here too, and these boxes open, and compared to that one, you can also put, you know, the Velociraptor on top here too. I'll take this Jurassic Park with the Dr. Ella Sattler Rescue Pack over the Search and Smash Truck, but if you prefer the newer version, this does do like a damage on the truck here for the Eocarcharia here on this here. So don't forget we got the Giganotosaurus here, Scorpius Rex. This is from Dino Escape from the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. This is also from Camp Cretaceous. The Indoraptor came out last year in October, November. There's a Track and Attack Indoraptor. It's a must buy. You can find this one here. Track and Attack Indoraptor. We get Trash and Devour T-Rex here. There's also the Tyrannosaurus Rex Escape Pack with Tim Murphy. So there's also a damage here on the top of the truck with the T-Rex here. And you got the Dr. Ella Sattler again, Rescue Pack. My favorite here, the Therizinosaurus. reason why I like this one the most is because of the arm feature, head, neck feature. There's a new dinosaur that hasn't been shown in any dinosaur movie, so for the Jurassic World Dominion movie. This is my favorite dinosaur here. There's a Capture and Crush truck too. And that's an Velociraptor too on this one, the whole version of this. Don't forget the Jurassic World Dino Tractor, Sinotyrannus. Back tail wiggles too. So you can do both at the same time. Sinotyrannus, and also the Stegosaurus. It wiggles. The left side wiggles the tail, and the right side make the tail go up and down. This is the Stegosaurus and the Sinotyrannus. They both have no sound feature, but they're a decent toy to have. And here's the older version of a truck too. Is the capture pack here. This comes with a Parasaurolophus and rolling tempo here. So see all these new ones. There's a new one here with the Velociraptor. There's the old one here, and there's also another old one here, the Capture and Crush truck. So these are the two new ones, Smash and Search and Smash truck here, and the Dr. Ella Sattler Rescue pack here. So these are two new ones. Also a Iguanodon. Siamosaurus. And there's a Kronosaurus from Dino Tractor. Kronosaurus. Compare this to the Liopleurodon here. So you can see these two are similar in a way. Here's the Kronosaurus here, and here's a Liopleurodon here. This is a better feature, got better design with aqua feature eyes, more blue, more detail, the teeth feature, the swing and the head movements better. This is go up and down only. This go left and right, so this is better. If you prefer, I'll get the Kronosaurus over the Liopleurodon. Okay. And there's also a Pteranodon dinosaur bird here. It's on clearance. It's $14.44, so we save about $3 here. Pteranodon at Target here. There's a clearance here on these Jurassic World Dominion toys. There's also Eocarcharia. And this week too, the Rajasaurus is on sale. It's $11.89, so you save almost over $5, 10 cents. Rajasaurus. So this Rajasaurus here, $5 off here. It's $11.89 this week at Target. There's an Velociraptor. There's Dr. Ian Malcolm and Velociraptor. Owen and Parasaurolophus again. Owen Parasaurolophus. So we can compare these two Parasaurolophus here. The Owen Parasaurolophus is more colorful compared to the original one here from Jurassic World Legacy Collection here. See that? The size is about the same. Oh, this is better buy. You can find this one here, the Owen Parasaurolophus, Therizinosaurus claw, the T-Rex chomp and roar mask. So here to do the search and smash truck new this week here, January 2023. Come with an Velociraptor, a guard, a backpack here. This also is a damage on the hood, so that's just can go in the hood here. You see it? And damage this truck here. So compared to the search and smash truck, also came out last week too. This Dr. Ella Sattler Rescue Pack 2. So hope you enjoyed this video here at Target Toy Hunt here. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.